Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank my God for providing smoothness to the step of making this thesis video. Before starting the presentation, I would like to thank Mr. Agus Wibowo as the coordinator of the Economic Education Study Program, Mr. Diki Ranto as the first supervisor, and Mr. Harya Kunchara Wiralaga as the second supervisor who have helped and support in working on the thesis. Introduce myself, my name is Safi Sratama from the Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, with registration number 17016191116. On this occasion, I will present a thesis entitled Analysis of Competitiveness and Factor Affecting Indonesian Cloth Export in 5 Main Destination Countries. Chapter 1, Background Study. Indonesia is one of the countries that carry out international trade activity, in this case export and import. In the realm of our export, Indonesia has two main sectors, namely oil and gas and non-oil and gas. According to data from the Central Statistic Agency in the Export Foreign Trade Bulletin, Commodity Group and Export Country in December 2021, Indonesia exports throughout 2021 reached a volume of 622,474 tons with a value 233,522 US dollar, consistent of 11,275 million US dollar from oil and gas and 290,246 million US dollar from non-oil and gas commodity export, one of the main sector for the development and growth of state revenue through export in the plantation subsector. In 2017, the GDP of the plantation subsector amount to 370,194 billion rupiah, consistent increasing every year to 425,042 billion rupiah in 2021. GDP of the plantation subsector experienced an average growth of 3.31%, second only to the horticultural subsector with an average growth of 4.31%. The value of the GDP contribution of the plantation subsector when compared to other agricultural subsector contribute the high percentage of GDP, which is average of 38.33%. This making the plantation subsector a superior subsector of the agricultural sector. Cloth are a leading spice commodity from the plantation subsector with great export potential. Cloth have the high average growth value of 20.91% or value 99,446 US dollar average export value. FAO note that in the time period from 2012 to 2021, the average production of cloth in the country reached 170,956 tons. Maluku became the large cloth production province in 2021 with a production value of 20,456 tons, equivalent to 14.68% of the total national cloth production. There are 5 countries with the large cloth production products in the world, including Indonesia, Madagascar, Tanzania, Comoros, and Sri Lanka. Madagascar became the world's largest cloth exporting country in the 2012 to 2021 period with a total export volume of 188,293,811 kilogram or value 1,305,954,601 US dollar, followed by Indonesian with an export volume of 169,066,450 kilogram or value at 686,178,084 US dollar. Indonesia controls 77.76% of the world cloth market. This figure is relatively low compared to Madagascar, which control and contribute to the world market share with an export volume of 21,370,990 kilogram, or around 29.38%. This low competitiveness ability is due to fluctuation in the volume and value of Indonesian cloth export to five destination countries. Various factors such as GDP destination countries, export price, and economic distance between Indonesia and destination countries. Problem statement 1. What is the comparative competitiveness of Indonesian cloth in export destination countries? 2. Is there any influence between the real GDP of destination countries on the export volume of Indonesian cloth? Is 3. Influence between cloth export price on Indonesian cloth export volume? And last, 4. Is 3. Any influence between economic distance and the export volume of Indonesian cloth? Research propose 1. To determine the comparative competitiveness of Indonesian cloth in export destination countries. 2. To determine the effect between the real GDP of destination countries on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. 3. To determine the effect of cloth export price on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. And last, 4. To determine the effect of economic distance on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. Research benefit. Theoretical, this research is expected to increase knowledge and new insight in economic regarding the exposure of commodities in this regards export cloth. Practical, this research is expected to be information and reference material for government as policy, investor, of society general who have an interest in export development in Indonesian cloth. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Definition of international trade. International trade is business transaction between more parties than one countries from the Payana 2018. Another statement, international trade is trade carried out by resident or government between countries, which is manifested by the process of mutual exchange of goods or service auspices. From Purba et al. 2021. Supporting theory international trade. First, theory of comparative advantage from the Ricardian model. Comparative advantage apprehends a country that does not have an absolute advantage in the production of goods in international trade activity can export by applying specialization in the production of goods that are considered to have high comparative value. Second theory about theory of comparative advantage from Hessler and O'Hlin HO model. Our theory explains that countries have endowment factor are relative abundant due to difference in productivity tend to export intensive demand and supply. Demand theory. The law of demand states that if the price of a good increase, then the demand for the goods will decrease and vice versa. If the price of a good decrease, then the demand for the good will be increased. Ceteris paribus from Parkin 2008. Supply theory. The law of supply states that if the price of goods or service is high, it will increase the quantity of these goods or service offered. On the other hand, if the price of good or service is low, the goods or service offered will decrease. From Parkin 2018. Theory export. Export are together and domestically product services that are sold abroad. From Mankiw 2018. Other statement, export is an activity or business shipping goods out of a country or region to other country or region either in a normal trading circuit as well as an action personnel. From Satar 2017. Gravity model. Gravity model can be used in analyze factors that can affect international trade. The gravity model is adapted from Newton's law of gravity that trade between any two countries, other thing being equal, is proportional to their GDP product and decrease with distance. From Krugman. GDP real destination countries. From Mankiw 2018, GDP is the market value of all final goods or service product in a country in a given period. From Blanchard and Johnson 2017, GDP is measure of aggregate output, which can be viewed from the production side or the income side. And last, from the Bureau of Economic Analysis, explained that measuring GDP, there are three approaches used, namely production, expenditure, and income approach. Export price from John Station 2004 defines price is value expressed in terms of dollar and cents or other monetary medium of exchange. Other statement from Sukirno 2016 defining the price level of good will be one of the factor affecting the export and import of a country. Economic distance from Krugman et al. 2018 defined gravity model showing strong negative effect of distance on international trade, thus reflecting an increase or decrease in the cost of transporting goods and service. Other statement from Lin 2019 explained that trade flow between two countries are measured by economic size and distance between trading partner. Large economic size, large trade volume, the greater the distance between two countries, the smaller the achievement of bilateral trade. Next, about previous research. The first research with title The Competitiveness of Indonesian Cloth Export in Global Market from Zuhdi and Rambe 2021. The research stated that the market structure from lead to an oligopoly market with Indonesian and Madagascar market regulars. Meanwhile, the level of export competitiveness and competitive advantage posed by Indonesian tends to increase as evidenced by the ACI, which has an average value of more than one. Second research with title Indonesian Cloth Competitiveness and Competitor Country in International Market from Putra Pertama et al. 2020. The result saw Indonesia had the result saw Indonesian had the low LCI index and the APD value saw that all country occupies the rising star position expect Sri Lanka in failing star position. Panel data regression analysis result show that the market share and GDP very significant influence the competitiveness of the main cloth production countries, while the production variable and export price do not significantly influence the country competitiveness. The, the government must dare to take policy. The government must dare to take policy to limit cloth import and increase export. Research with title Competitiveness and the Factor Affecting Export of the Indonesian Canned Pineapple in the World and the Destination Countries with uh, from Muranti and Mubarak 2017. RCA analysis results indicate that the Indonesian canned pineapple has a comparative advantage in the world as well as in the export destination countries. Result of data panel analysis indicate that factor that affect the export volume of Indonesian canned pineapple in the destination countries are Indonesia canned pineapple export price to the export destination countries, real GDP, and the population of destination countries. For research with title Factor Affecting Cloth Export Indonesian 2001 to 2015 from Rezemaye et al. 2019. The result show that production, domestic consumption, domestic price, export price, and exchange rate had an influence of 53.2% and significantly on Indonesian cloth export in 2001 to 2015. Five research with title Analyze of Factor Affecting Indonesian Cloth to Main Cloth Export Destination Countries from Asibuan and Novianti 2022. The variable that have a significant effect on the volume of Indonesian cloth to six major export destination countries with a real GDP of 5% are the variable of the real GDP of cloth export destination countries, cloth export price, real exchange rates, and economic distance. LS research with title Export Potential of Sri Lanka and Determinant of Export with Gravity Model Approach from Wickramaracci 2019. Results show that importing country GDP and colonial relationship have positive impact on Sri Lanka export. The distance and trade resistance of the importing country have negative impact on Sri Lanka export. Next slide about theoretical framework and formulation of research hypothesis. Hypothesis 1 that RCA value of Indonesian cloth more than 1, meaning Indonesian cloth have a comparative advantage and strong competitiveness in the main export destination countries. Hypothesis 2, the real GDP of destination countries has a positive and significant effect on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. Hypothesis 3, the export price of Indonesian cloth has a negative and significant effect on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. Hypothesis 4, economic distance negatively and significant affect the export volume of cloth. Chapter 3 about research method. First, unit of analysis. The scope of this research is the five main destination countries for Indonesian cloth export, namely Uni Emirat Arab, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. Population relate to export value, gross domestic product, real, export price, and economic distance to the export destination countries of Indonesian cloth. Sample relate to export value, GDP real, export price, and economic distance in 2012 to 2021. Data collection techniques. Secondary data obtained from UN Comtrade, World Bank Indicator, Food and Agriculture Organization, International Trade Center, Central Bureau of Statistics, and Directorate General of Plantation of the Ministry of Agriculture. Quantitative methods. Quantitative methods are used to research an certain population or sample. Data collection using research instrument, quantitative or statistical data analysis with the aim of testing hypotheses that have been set. The data used in this study in the form of number which are then processed using statistical tools. First, cloth export. Operational definition. The export of cloth used in study refers to the HS code 0907. Cloth export volume data was obtained from UN contract during the 2012 to 2021 period spread in kilogram. GDP real. Operational definition. This study used GDP with annual secondary data measured from the real GDP of the destination countries in US dollar. Data obtained from World Development Indicator in US dollar based on constant price 2015. Export price, operational definition. The study used export price. The study used export value data divided by export volume. Data on the export value. Data on the export value and export volume of cloth during the period 2012-2021 are obtained from the official website of UN Comtrade. The unit use US per kilogram. Economic distance, operational definition. Geographic distance. Geographic distance data is obtained from website time and date, while GDP data is obtained from World Development Indicator. The unit for geographic distance is kilometers, while for GDP is US dollar. GDP use is GDP on the basis of constant price in 2015. Next, data analysis techniques. Competitiveness analysis of export. Analysis technique, the data used in this study is statistical analysis descriptive. Descriptive statistics are statistics used to analyze data by describing or describe, collect data as it is without it tends to make a generally applicable conclusion or generalization. In this study, use method is Revealed Comparative Advantage (RCA). Talk the mechanism of calculation the market share of the export value of Indonesian cloth to the total amount of export to Indonesian cloth importing countries, which is next compared to the share of what export value to Indonesian cloth importing countries. Analysis of factor affecting cloth export. Gravity model data panel. In this study, the gravity model equation was transformed into linear regression panel data for econometric analysis using logarithm. Panel data regression model estimation method. 1. Hammond effect model. 2. Fixed effect model. 3. Random effect model. Panel data regression model estimation selection. 1. 1 Chow test. 2. Houseman test. 3. Lagrange multiplier test. Classical assumption test. 1. Normality test. 2. Multicollinear test. 3. Heteroscedastic test. Test the hypothesis. 1. Partial test, T-test. 2. Simultaneous test, F-test. 3 coefficient of determinant test, or R squared. Chapter 4, Result and Discussion. This slide about data description. First, export volume of Indonesian cloth. First, export volume of Indonesian cloth. The export volume of Indonesian cloth in 2012 to 2021 has a minimum value of 9.409191, which was exported to the Uni Emirat Arab in 2013. The maximum value of 16.43300 export to India in 2020. Two, PDB real country of export destination of Indonesian cloth. The variable real GDP country in 2012 to 2021 has a minimum value of 26.01698, with Vietnam in 2012. The maximum real GDP value of the destination country is 27.28797, with Saudi Arabia in 2019. 3. Export price. The variable price of export destination countries in 2004 to 2021 has a minimum value of minus 0.116113, with Vietnam in 2015. The maximum export price value is 2.394787, with Saudi Arabia in 2014. For economic distance, the variable economic distance of the 5 destination countries in 2012 to 2021 has a minimum value of 4.366468, with Singapore in 2012. The maximum value was 6.63362, with Saudi Arabia in 2016. Okay, next slide about analysis of the competitiveness of Indonesian cloth. Madagascar has a comparative advantage of cloth commodity within the average RCA of 24439.53 in the Malaysian market. Indonesia has a comparative advantage of cloth commodity within average RCA of 49.09 in the Saudi Arabia market. Indonesian cloth are strongly competitive in 5 destination countries. However, it has not been able to compete with competing countries of cloth exporters. This is cause A. Competing countries consistently supply cloth in large quantity to the same destination countries as Indonesia. B. High domestic demand, especially the cigarette industry. Factor affecting Indonesian cloth export. Regression model estimation testing. First, choke test. Based on the result of the probability F statistic and chi-square 0.000 less than 0.05. So it can be concluded that HO is reject and fixed effect model is the best estimation model compared to the common effect model. Then Hausman testing was carried out. Second, Hausman test. The result of the Hausman test show the value of probability F statistic 0.0100 less than 0.05. So it can be concluded that HO is reject and the fixed effect model is the best estimation model compared to the random effect model. The test result show that the best model used in the study was the fixed effect model. This result make the study not use the Lagrange multiplier test. Next, about testing recruitment analysis. Normality test. Based on the normality test above, the probability value in Jacques-Bera is greater than the significant level 5% or 0.485347 more than 0.05. So it can be concluded that the data on the research variable are normally distributed. Okay, next slide about classical assumption testing. Multicollinearity test. Based on the test result, it showed that the correlation coefficient of the matrix between independent variable is less than 0.8, showing that there is not correlation between independent variable and free of multicollinearity. Heteroscedasticity test. Based on the result of the heteroscedasticity test of the Glaser method above, it showed that the value of probability statistic in each variable is greater than 0.05. So it can be concluded that the panel data regression model meet the assumption and it is is free heteroscedasticity problem. This is panel data regression model analysis. Panel data regression model analysis, t-test. First, the result of the test prove that the t-calculate of the real GDP of export nation countries is 0.087783 more than the t-table is 1.67866, meaning that the real GDP of export destination countries has a positive influence of the export volume of Indonesian cloth. In addition, the probability of calculating the real GDP variable of the destination countries is 0.0036 less than a significant level of 5%, meaning that the real GDP variable of the destination countries has a significant influence of the export volume of Indonesian cloth. The result of the t-test prove that the t-count of the export price variable is 2.569739 more than the t-table is 1.67866, meaning that the export price has positive effect on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. In addition, the probability of the T calculate the export price variable is 0.0138 less than significant level 5%. So it can be concluded that export price have a significant positive influence of the export volume of Indonesian cloth. The result of the t-test prove that the t-calculate variable economic distance of minus 2.55229 less than t-table of 1.61866 means that the economic distance has a negative influence of the export volume of Indonesian cloth. In addition, the probability of T calculate the economic distance variable is 0.0144 less than significant level of 5%. So it can be concluded that economic distance has a significant influence of the export volume of Indonesian cloth. Next, about F-test. Based on the result of the estimate output of the EFUS 11. Based on the result of the estimate output of the EFUS software, so the value of probability F statistic of 0.0000 less than significant level 5%. In addition, the F statistic value is 9.53656. In addition, the F statistic value is 9.53652 more than F table 2.81. So that the estimated regression model can be used to explain the effect of the independent variable of real GDP of destination countries, export price, and economic distance simultaneously affect the variable bound to cloth export volume. Next, about coefficient of determination. On the estimate output of FU software, it saw the adjust R square value is 0.54944 or 15.94%. So it it is concluded that the variable of real GDP of these countries, export price, and economic distance can be proof and explanation that the variable export volume of Indonesian cloth is 54.94% while 45.06% can be explained from other variable outside this research model. Chapter 5, Conclusion. A. Analysis of Indonesian cloth export competitiveness. The result of the competitiveness analysis using the Revealed Comparative Advantage RCA method show that during the 2012 to 2021 period, Indonesian cloth in the export destination market are the United Arab, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, and Malaysia with an value above 1 mean that Indonesian cloth have a comparative advantage and strong competitiveness. B. Factor affecting Indonesian cloth export. First, the real gross domestic product of export destination countries affect positively and significantly on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. This means that if the real GDP of destination countries increase, the export value of Indonesian cloth increase. This condition also means that a high-income country has an effect on increasing public consumption of a commodity. Second, export price have a positive and significant influence of the export volume of Indonesian cloth. This result means that domestic cloth product competed to increase production so as to increase the volume of cloth exported. And third, economic distance has a negative and significant influence on the export volume of Indonesian cloth. This result means that economic distance describe export and import trade activity, so that if the distance is further, it will cause an increase in transportation costs, so that importing country will reduce export volume. Okay, thank you for attention. Have a good day.